Hello and welcome. Today we are going to explore how voice assistants actually work. You speak and it instantly understands you. But how? First, it listens for a wake word, like "Hey Siri" or "Alexa." Only then does it wake up. Your voice is captured as analog sound waves by a microphone. The microphone converts those waves into digital numbers. Thousands of samples every second represent your voice. These digital numbers are sent to powerful cloud servers for heavy processing. An AI model called a speech recognizer converts the digital audio into text word by word. Next, natural language processing finds the core meaning. It identifies what you are asking and extracts key word. The AI classifies your request into an intent. Is it a question, a command, or a reminder? Once it knows your intent, it searches for the best answer from the internet or a database. Finally, the answer is converted from text into speech, so you hear a natural reply. Here is the complete journey, all happening in the blink of an eye. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like for more AI videos.